Well, I have something interesting, or what I think it's interesting. This thing here, this program I wrote, is designed to one sec. It is designed to store videos on a disk. The entire disk. No file system. Just the disk. The raw disk. No, I have to save it. I forgot. I can't save info here. I forgot I had that disabled. Oh, wait, no I didn't. Oh, that's kind of cool. Anyways, so. Here you got all the code and all that stuff. All that fancy stuff. Now, if we go to computer management and view the disk, which is disk 2, because that's the only one I had laying around that I actually didn't really need to use. You can see it's reading as 55.89 gigabytes of free space raw. Now, if I go over to around here, where was it? Where's the script? One sec. Shoot, what was I doing? Oh yeah, that's what I was doing. So, it's right here. This opens up Physical Drive 2, which is the entirety of this disk. It basically opens up disk 2 as it were a notepad file, and makes changes to it in the specific locations to make stupid stuff happen. Like, this commented out code here was, I was gonna make this a hex editor, but I didn't because I'm too lazy to finish it. And I already have a free program that works just great. So this opens disk 2 as it were for notepad file. And it then calls, it then basically gets the info off the disk and sets it up to be read and write to. This is all eventually going to be for saving audio onto the thing. And this is just a template header. So yeah. Basically, this program when you're recording, takes about 30 to 20 or whatever you have set screenshots per second, and it loads the raw RGB data onto the disk. But of course it has to resize it because of optimizations. And then the save bitmap to disk, you can see, this thing here just puts the position of the disk to the slot offset of, like, the image location, or in this case, the frame. It puts the disk at the location to write or read a frame. It makes a buffer file with the width times the height times 3, because there's 3 colors of pixels, and you get it here. All that. If I run it, hopefully it works. Yes, it did save the last time I used it. It did just save the free space and used space. It's weird. That didn't set itself. That's not good. But let's see here. I do 20 frames per second, right? You can see that the usage is going up, and the frame slot is going up about 20 frames per second. Now if I move this, you'll see it move. But if I move a different window, that's a lot smoother. And it should be recording onto the disk. And stop the disk recording at 321 frames. 58 megabytes. Now, here's the output recording. As you can see, there's no audio, but, you know, it's mostly because of optimizations. When I stop recording, you'll see it go back to the last video I recorded. So in a way, it's like a tiny digital VHS. So, yeah. Kinda cool if you ask me.